Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding just volume up. When you see this no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here in the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.